Hello friends, today we will discuss question 36 of SOM series. If you have not watched my earlier videos, then you can go in description and watch my earlier video first. And before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, that is part 2 of SOM series. That link you can get in the description. And today we will discuss question 3. Before that, let's see, in last section we discussed question 35, that is this question we discussed in our last session. If you want to see this question, you can go in description. So today we will discuss question 36 of SOM series. So here we have to find the area in the first quadrant lying under the arc from the y-axis to the first point where the curve x plus y square is equal to cut the positive x-axis. So here we have to find the area. It will be here from. So we have to find the area from y-axis to the first point where the curve cut positive x-axis. So this curve we will come to know when we will draw the graph. So let's draw the graph. So let's first solve this equation. So we get x plus y square plus y is equal to 2. We can see it's a type of parabola. So let's convert this in form of square. So we get x plus y plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2. Here what we did, the y square have taken y and the term y should be divided by 2 and doing whole square and separating this term square. So when we will solve this form, we will get this form only. So now solving this, we get y plus 1 upon 2 whole square is equal to, this will come this side, so 2 plus 1 upon 4 minus x, that is equal to 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 minus x, and here it's y plus 1 upon 2 whole square. So this is our equation of parabola. So let's draw this one. So this is y-axis, this is our x-axis, and we know that y square is equal to 4x will be this type of graph. But here its vertex is not origin. Its vertex is y is equal to minus 1 by 2, and this is 1, 2, it 1, minus 1, 2, and this will be somewhere, let's take this is equal to minus of x minus 9 by 4. So this parabola will be in negative axis. So let's find its intersecting point. Y is minus 1 by 2, vertex is 9 by 4, comma minus 1 by 2. So, or let's do by another method. Let's find the intersecting point. So let's put x is equal to 0. So when we put x is equal to 0, we get y square plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y plus 2 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. By this you can do by wavy curve method, or you can directly see its vectors are 2 and 1. So here it plus 2 minus 1. So y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. So by here we can know it will intersect at y is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. So this curve will be, and we have seen it will be in negative axis because here it was negative. So, and when we put y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 2. So we have find its intersecting point, so we can clearly draw its figure. It will be like this way. This quadratic equation, this parabola, or we can say this will be like this. Now we have to find this from, it should be in first quadrant and from the y-axis. So this is y-axis, this is first quadrant, and where the curve cuts the positive x-axis. So we have to find this curve. Here the difficult part is to know the area, because once we get the area then the work is easy. So make sure that you don't do mistake in knowing the area. So now we know that y belongs to 0 to 1. So let's take y constant. So we know area is equal to double integration from 1 to dx dy. And whenever it's dx dy, we draw the horizontal line. And when we draw the horizontal line, we can see it's entering from x is equal to 0 and it's leaving from x is equal to 2 minus y square. So area is equal to limit of y is from 0 to 1, x is from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus 2y square 1 into dx dy. Now integrate this term with respect to 1. So we get area is equal to integration from 0 to 1. Here it will be x. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x. Limit are from 2 minus y square into dy. Now further solving this, we get area is equal to integration from 0 to 1. Put upper limit minus lower limit. So we get 2 minus y square into dy. Now integrate this term with respect to dy. So we get 2y minus y square by 2 minus y cube by 3. Limit are from 0 to 1. So we get 2 minus, here when we put 1, we will get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. And when we put 0, it will be going to be 0 only. So now taking the LCM, its LCM is 6. This is 3, this is 2. So 6 into 2, 12 minus 3 minus 2 upon 6. So 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 3, it will be 7. 7 by 6. So 7 by 6 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. Thank you.